Welcome. In this video, I will tell you that how to record your audio as a voiceover and add it to the CapCut while using on the PC. So the steps are very simple. First of all, just let me made an environment. I will delete the previous audio. Okay. And I will also detach audio clip from here. These steps are not necessary, but just want to make you clear. So now we are ready. So here you can see the button. This is the button. So when you click this button, it's asked you about input audio and volume. There is option of echo reduction and mute project. I suggest you to check both these buttons so these specific settings can be applied. Now you just have to click on the record button. And now the recording has been set. Uh, Here, sorry, I forget to tell you that you have to mention the point where you want to start the audio recording. So we will try again. Hi, hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to do voiceover. So that's all. Okay, I have stopped the recording and I'm sorry, I am using my previous video to do the tutorial. So you can exit it and I will play for you. Hope you will listen to it. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to do it. Okay, okay. So here you get the idea. You just have to click on the button and it will start automatically. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So hit like, comment me if you want more and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.